Hello and welcome to another episode of Sit Down Saturday, where I answer your questions. Varum Tingam asks, I always drink some water. Is that normal? Well, it depends on how much you drink. Even if I don't want to, I always think I drink a little bit, but not a lot. It's definitely not normal if you're drinking water at every breath, at every stroke. So maybe your breathing technique is off. We have time to answer another one. Let's see. Here is an interesting question by Matthias Bio. Every day during off season, I get anxious and fear the pool, and I feel like it controls me. It feels as if I'm scared of going back to swim. Anyone has any idea to help? So he posted this question on the video about, do you need time off of swimming? And I think you might be fearful of going back to the pool if you take time off because it feels horrible. It feels like you're just learning how to swim again. But that's gonna happen. That's normal. You just gotta go through it and know that it's normal and that you can gain all the endurance and all the technique that you lost during the time off. And maybe you also gain more motivation. That is really the main point of taking time off. So, and if it's too much, I suggest going to a psychologist and seeking help, seeking professional help. That's what they do. I hope that helps. Keep posting your questions down below, and I hope I can answer some of them next Saturday. See you then. Swim fast.